akin itong damit mo. Sleep well. I'll be the one. We could both promise. Yada, cellphone ni Gab. Yada, cellphone ni Gab. Yada, cellphone ni Gab. Cellphone. Ah, hindi naka-charge. Ada mo ko man. Dali nga damong ko. Damong ko. Pick up all the boxes. Wait. Wait. In the light, pick up all the lift. I ate the lift. My God. Baga akong pokpok sa The last. Oh my god. Wake up all the promises. Oh, I did it. Hi, 5 people. My God. Oh, hi, Richard. How are you? I'm fine. How about Jack? Tell me who's the girl. How about you, Richard? You are beautiful. Thank you. Okay. You got nice. Thank you. Do you have a boyfriend? I'm single. Legit. Last I'm single. Start yesterday. I'm single since yesterday. Yep, yep. Thank you for me too, babe. My God, unbelievable. Why are you single? Hi, Sala. My favorite tea, coffee. The coffee. Tell me who's the girl. Will you be my girlfriend? Oh, I think it sounds like a trauma, another trauma. Oh my God. I know you want. You want to see. I know you want to see to me. I gave you everything. I will take care of you. Oh my God. Are you drinking tea? Yep. Yes. I'm drinking tea. Random people. Hi, coffee. You are pretty. Many say that. Many men say that I'm pretty and I'm beautiful. So what? And so, the Ramadan Laparan. Hello, hello. Don't drink too much, okay? You are getting more, coming, coming more than beautiful. Oh, really? 610 people. Thank you. Uh, Michael Tan. Hi, Michael. No, no. Hi. Tolovan. Yeah, I love. Wow. Hi, Bob. Roger, Bob. How are you? I'm fine. How about you, Bob? Oh, just a work. Oh, okay. Where from, Bob? Oh, so, okay, I guess. Guess of. Where you guess? So what? Canada. Oh, wow. Dad from Canada. Nice to meet you, Bob. Wow, wow, wow. Mabakan. Stomach has that car. Fucking that car. Alright. What tracing means? What tracing? I don't know how tracing. Okay, okay. Coffee. Yep, coffee. I thank you for the thumbs up. Oh my god. Thank you for the thumbs up. Do you have your lunch? Do I have lunch? Night here. Dinner. Can you thumbs up? Likes. Can you hit the like? Please reply me back. I reply you back. Um, 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 which curry to have? I don't know. Chicken curry. Hi, Suraj. The Suraj. Hi, Suraj. Tutumura. Okay, okay. I'm very happy with you. Okay. Thank you. Why? Where are you from? Lemsalayaps. Why are you smiling? I always did. S- Nagaland. Nagaland. It's from India. India, right? India. Hello, Ramadan. Pastor Raj Kumar. Swami who's that girl? Forgiven that girl. Hi, hey, 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 hey. Hola amor, Lobas Fernando Garcia. Hola amor. It channels, what's up? What's up? I have no what's up. Maybe I will download those app. Talking. Digim. What it means? Thank you for 29 people. Because you are only one my crush. But you're a liar. Nos Venus por privado. Are you married? I'm not married. Yep, yep. Never get married. Never. Sunny hosted crush. Kung titigas na lang, nagsasama na tayo. Love. To love. The valid event. The valid one. Love. I like your hair. Spill hair. Hair. 29. 29 people. Can you please give the likes? Hit the like. More viewers. No likes. What is your age? 40. 40 years old. Forty years old. Yep, yep. I'm your age is 20. Oh my gulay. So you wanna be a lava? Just wait. May gapas ka doon. Gapas. Ha? Gapas. Gapas? Hindi lang. Okay lang. Are you alone? I'm not alone. Thank you for watching. Daming, daming basher. Guys, hit the like. Oh my god. Tap on your screen earlier. Thank you, Tim. You are locking my crush. Yeah. Liar. Ew. No problem. Can I be your ex? Oh my god. You toxic. Lancelot. She already has one. Oh god. Already have ex. I'm boy, okay. So what? A ex. Lim, how old are you? Maybe he's young. Maybe he's young. Because he said it's a crush. Young is like crushes. I think. Ow. I'm looking old. Oh my god. What? Learn. Why are you not interested, boys? You are looking angel. Oh my god. Learn. What is your edge or go away? What is your edge, Lem? Lem, what is your edge? How old are you?
See, people rather leave than hit the like button. Just Del. Hi, Just Del. 234. Just Del. You look more time. Oh, how old are you? How much your age? Oh my god. Stop. Yup, yup. Tell your age, John Leslie. How old? How much your age, Lem? How old are you? What is your age? Tell us. Tell me. Hit the like button. You don't. If you don't, then you can. Bobonans. Thank you, 16 people. Thank you for the likes. Glenn, show me your dancing. I, I'm not in the mood. Tell me your age. Oh my god. Violin. Violin. Maglimlim ka muna. Where did I go wrong? What did I do to make you choose? Beautiful Shara, are you alright there? Yeah. I'm fine. I'm fine, just direct. Thank you for joining. You don't listen to the host. Oh my god. Thank you for the 22 people after Typhoon. Oh my god. Thank you, Chester Hickson. Thank you for the concern, but thank you, God, for that. We're safe here. We're safe here and my family. Thank you so much. 25 people. Thank you po. Sheryl Ohm, why team is not around earlier? Why? Why you want to know? Why you want to know my thought? I felt I'm getting beautiful in few days. After a few days. Oh my god. Don't worry about me. Just chat here. Yeah, don't chat. But okay, why? Why you want to ask? Okay. Why okay? Okay. Nalasan ka man ako'y maghihintay sa'yo. Hindi na natatagal kailan iwasan. Ako lang dito umiibig sa'yo. Huwag mo sanang isipin ako ay love you. Oh, you're wrong. Wrong chat. The wrong ano. Papa. Nineteen people. Thank you so much. Kahit nasaan mo. Come on, people. It shouldn't like it's not hard to do. Oh my god. Manoj. Chester, I'm just happy to see your lovely face. Thank you, Chester. Miss you. Manoj. How party. Hello. Manoj. How party. Where are you from? Can you please hit the like? My god. My god. Mano, please give her a like. Eugenda Oman. Ah, Oman. You're from Oman. Are you... Okay. What's the country? Me, I'm from Philippines. I'm Filipina. Philippines. Ganun talaga. May pa-intro. I'm from Philippines. Oh my god. New beautiful. Ito. Oh my god. Ayaw mo na sa'kin, mas lalong ayoko sa iyo. Lagi mong isipin kaganap. No, same old beautiful. Yeah. Your face beautiful. Thank you. Nos nam. Madam, baka po pwedeng humingi po ng konting tulong, ma'am. Pambili lang po ng, ala, hindi ko na mabasa eh. Kasi ano, mahal kita. Huh? Nos nam. Bakit? English please. Nos nam. Taga saan ka? Just down. Just down. Nos nam. Huh? Sana po masin niyo po ako, ma'am, kahit pipe. San Carlos, Pangasinan po. Oh my God. 50 pesos. Wala akong pera. Yung Gcash ko, zero balance. Paano ako makakaan? No. Can't send. What is he saying? He asking for money because 50 pesos, like $1 to buy a rice. Felt starving it maybe. Ay, maraming salamat po. I mean, no, I can't, no, I mean, hindi ako makakabigay sa'yo kasi walang naman ang Gcash ko. Wala, zero balance. God. If I have some, kung meron ako, magsisend ako, pero wala. Sorry. I'm not rich. Hindi ako mayaman. Miss Nadem, she need 1,000. No, no, ganon sayang po. Wala akong ganong halaga. Kailangan nga ako ng pera eh. Wrong spell. Nosnam. He needs, or she or he needs $1. Pesos only, sir. $1, sir. $1. He, the 50 pesos is $1. No, she didn't have. I don't have. I don't have money. Sorry. I'm poor. Purity. Sorry. Sorry, she does not have. Trust me. Yes. I don't have. I don't have money. Even me, I need, please give for Mom Cheryl to help me, sir. Oh my God. Nos mom. If I have a money, I will give, but I don't have a money. She might one day, but not today. If I monetize my channel, if I earn here, I will give you Nos mom. Yeah. Me, I feel hungry too. I need rice. Sorry, we need to work. Need to ano. How old are you, Nosnam? You have a kids? Do you have a kids? If you buy a rice, the store is already closed. Yeah, 11 p.m. here. 11 p.m. here. So if you buy a rice or food, the store is closed. Or maybe here 7-Eleven 24 hours. And how would you give this person you would have to meet this? No, he said Gcash. It sounds like Gcash. He gave a number that that need to send him. Yeah, him. I don't know if him or Snowsman. He give the number the Gcash to give him just a 50 pesos, 1 dollar to buy the food. He asked him to buy the foods. Thank you for the likes. Alright. Ouch. Shouldn't have. Gab needs it for, yeah. I don't know. Jamie, good afternoon. Hi, Jamie. Yeah, sorry, Nasma, because Gab need food too. We need food too. It's a priority. Uh, yep. So, swear starting holding your hand and strong for everything you saw. How you saw. Via Jen. Hi, Via Jen. Why are you guys afraid to hit the like button? Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. You look amazing today. I love when you sing. Jamie. 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 Oh my god. Via Jen. Orlando Barbusal. Why too long the name? It's really difficult to say, to read. What else? I don't understand the Sinipizini. I don't understand your language. Maybe you can translate it in English. Thank you. I saw you eating the cacao fruit. Is that your pot? No, it's not. She's a woman. Oh my god. Be cute, sweetie. I wonder how that tastes. The taste of the cacao is sweet. Sweet and sour. A little bit of sour, but it's more sweet. Ryan. Ryan, Dapit. Ang hirap. Ryan, Dapito Polo. Ricardo Arch. Está Comsono. What it means? Oh, visita. Oh my god. What oh my god. Saya Ryan is sleeping. Sleeping. Night here. I think it's middle of the night here. Ayaw mo na sa'kin, masaya ko na sa'yo. Ang iisipin, ang hanap mo is... What is that? Ryan. I give you two choices. You can send me the food, or even better, you can bring me the food. Oh my god. Even the two, I'm not do it. Oh my god, Jamie. Love you, Roger Lataga. Hi, Roger Lataga. I really want to taste that. I never have one. You need to buy, Jamie, or you can get one. I give you no one choice. My name is. Your name is Ryan. 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 Why? I don't know who you are. Why you need to asking me your name? Huh? Roger Lataga, what do you mean? Pakisako love. Oh my goodness. Guys, speak English. Yeah, can you speak English? Mm. Hi, Marcos Rodriguez. Hello. The host needs to learn English before she comes to USA. Play Pakisakod. Okay. Ano? Pakisakod. Roger. Wrong spelling is wrong. How are you? I'm fine, Marcus Rodriguez. Thank you. So much. So what do you mean? Show going. Hi, Dr. Patrick. I'm fine. Nothing. Thank you, Doc, for joining the live. Well, about to get off break from work, so got to go. Thank you, Marcos, for joining the live. Thank you so much. Hope you come back when I do live again. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for the 10 million likes. I got a 10. Have a blessed one. Thank you. What is that? Feel blessed. I'm on a second. Masaya Cruz. I like and subscribe. Thank you, Marcos. Thank you so much. Thank you for the live. Cheryl, you are very special. Jamie. Thank you, Jamie. Why am I special? Jamie. I'm on a second. Cheryl. My cool life. Thank you for the likes. Yeah, she's special. Thank you for 18 people watching. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. I want a second. Ayoko sa'yo. Second. Bahala ko. Thank you for the likes. Thank you, 12 people. Come on, 6 people. Haven't hit the like button. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Oh my god. It's free. It don't cost anything. It's free. It don't cost anything. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. 17 million watch. Leprechaun. 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 Red alert. Huh? When you going to release your album, I will be. Oh my god, Jamie. Oh, I will be the first one to buy it. That way I can go to step with you between my. Oh my god. You're young. We are having a sale on the like button today. It's 100% off today and today only. 100% of Carlos Pereira. Pereira. I just can't get over your beautiful smile. Jamie. Hola, soy Carlos de San Juan, killing the soy soltero. Soltero. Leprechaun, you have a problem with me? Leprechaun, what happened? Why red alert? What happened, Leprechaun? Chiquero Boneta. Chiquera. Ticasarias conmigo. Ticasarias. Bakit hindi ka malis sa isip ko? Ikaw ang lagi ang laman ng puso. Carlos English. Ano to, Sky? Ayan. Oh, shucks. Little late for TV. Yeah. I have a pain. Maybe I need to go to the rest. Bye. Bye, guys. I'm going to rest now. Need to sleep. Bye bye. Thank you for joining. Thank you so much. Love you all.